Digital Mentor here. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Today, I want to teach you how you can earn $130 in 1 hour of watching videos. It's probably going to be my easiest way of how to make money online, and you don't actually need any money to get yourself started. It's really easy. Even a beginner can do it. Honestly, my almost 10-year-old could probably make $130 just watching these videos and doing exactly what she needs to do to be able to make this money. I'm not going to let her, but it's really simple and easy. So I think you're really going to enjoy this video. Make sure to stay for the entire video so that way you are not missing out on any of the steps on how to make this money online. If you like this video, you find it helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure to hit that like button. I really appreciate it. It makes me feel good about the videos and the content that I'm giving you. If there's something you don't understand, make sure to drop me a comment or reach out to me on any of my forms of social media. It's all Digital Mentor. I'm pretty much on everything, so you really can't miss me. Also, make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications every single time that I upload a video, so that way you're not missing out on anything that could be making you money online and saving you from having to keep going into work. If you are ready to take the big plunge, you want to quit your job, you want to start working from home and doing it online, you want to be an online entrepreneur, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be your first link in the description below. So definitely hit the description button, scroll down, find the first link, and go check it out. You'll really, 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 really enjoy this way of making money instead of having to get up and go deal with people. I could not do it anymore. I was able to quit my job and be able to work from home. And I want to show you my secrets and teach you how. So check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. So guys, this is going to be a rather quick video because we're only going to be on this one site, and I want to draw your attention to it because it is really, really cool. So cryptocurrency is the new thing nowadays. No one really carries around cash anymore. It's either cards or cryptocurrency. So if you haven't figured out what cryptocurrency is yet, you really need to, because day and age, things are changing. You're going to have to change with the world. So I want to bring you guys to a site called Coinbase.com. And what this is a crypto wallet. What that is it holds money, your cryptocurrency. It's the easiest place to buy, sell, and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. So your portfolio is pretty much how much cryptocurrency you do have. You can buy cryptocurrency, you can trade it, you can sell it, and things of that nature. So do your research, figure out what cryptocurrency is, and then get your butts over to Coinbase. Now, as I told you, you can earn $130 in 1 hour of watching videos. And you're probably like, how the heck do I do that? Well, you come right over here. You get yourself signed in. You have to get started, make yourself an account, link your and it's free to get started. You're going to have to link all your accounts, your information, things of that nature in there. It's kind of a little bit of a lengthy sign up, but totally worth it. They do need to know everything they need to know. And this is a legit company. This is not a scam. If you do your research online, you will find out that this is an actual legit company. So you can trust them with all of your information as well. It's completely secure. So this is what they are. They have vault protection, mobile apps, recurring buys, and you can manage your portfolio on here. They have secure storage. They're protected by insurance, and it's got really good ratings. It's the most trusted cryptocurrency platform online. So definitely check them out. Another thing that I wanted to bring to your attention very quickly about this is they are supported by 102 different countries. So now this is going to be a worldwide method, being able to make money online. So I'm not 100% sure how we find out what countries it is. I can poke around for you guys. But let's just go over here about us and see which countries maybe they are in. Now, they are the world's leading investors. These are all the people who are using them. So it's really, really, really cool that they have that many different countries that they offer this to. So getting back to the main homepage really quick, I'm just going to pop back over for you. like I said, you're going to be making, you can earn up to $130 just watching videos. So once you have made yourself your free account, you don't actually have to buy any cryptocurrency. You don't have to trade anything. You don't have to do anything to be able to make this $130. You're going to go over to something called products, and you are going to go over to earn. Now, once you go over to earn, it's going to take you to this page. And what you're going to be doing is watching videos and learning about cryptocurrency. So if you don't know about cryptocurrency, this is where you're going to be able to A, learn about it, and B, make a little bit of money on the side by watching these videos. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to watch these videos, and after each video you're going to complete a quiz. And as long as you're paying attention to these videos and they're not just playing dull and you're like in a different room, you're going to be able to complete these, and then you will earn and receive your crypto coins right in your wallet for every quiz that you do complete. Once you've completed a quiz, then you want to start back over and you're going to redo all of these quizzes. So you're going to be able to make a pretty good amount of money doing this as well. So what are these cryptocurrency videos? So this is Tezos, I don't know how to say it, is a cryptocurrency and blockchain designed for safety, open participation, and upgradability. Learn how it works and you'll earn $6 in whatever kind of cryptocurrency this is. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that there, and they have beginner lessons, $2, $2, $2, $2, which as soon as you watch all of these, you will end up with $6 of cryptocurrency right in your wallet, which boosts up your portfolio as well. So please keep that in mind that you are going to be building a portfolio too. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this over here and you're going to be starting a video. So there's your first $6 that you can earn. Now, I know $6 doesn't sound like a lot, but if you scroll down, you can see that some of these videos are actually worth, $50 here, $50 here, $20 in DAI. So we'll take a quick look at those really fast too. You can earn $10 in basic attention token, BAT. Brave is on a mission to fix what it believes to be a broken web. Learn about Brave and you'll be able to earn basic attention tokens. So that's going to be another form of cryptocurrency that you're going to be able to earn. But I'm going to really quickly go up into, where's DAI? I think that was 52. No, that was 20. So you want to start the course. You're going to be able to look at it. It's beginner lessons. What is it? What is it used for? And you're going to be earning money, everything that you watch these little 2-minute videos. And then you can generate DAI with a maker. So in this lesson, you're going to learn how to generate it, and you're going to earn $14 there. So you're going to be able to earn $20 total doing these quick, easy little lessons. These videos are 2-minute videos, 2-minute videos. This is going to be a 10-minute video. So that's how you're going to do it. They pretty much roundabout pay you $1 per minute that you're going to be watching. So just keep that in mind. Let's pop over to Stellar Lumens. All right. So they say you can earn $50 in this cryptocurrency. So you watch a 2-minute video, 2-minute video, 2-minute video, tons of little 2-minute videos. And then, which will equal about $10. I think that was 5 videos. And then you can earn up to $40 if you invite 4 friends to earn this type of cryptocurrency too. They can be a new or an existing Coinbase user, but you'll earn $10 per person and eligible friend who completes each lesson. So get your friends and family involved. If you can get 4 people in, you're going to end up making them $40, and you'll be able to make $50 really, really fast. Now there's one more that was $50, and I want to draw your attention back to that one as well. Let's find it here. Right here. EOS. I'm not sure what it is. I'm not very knowledgeable about cryptocurrency, but as you can see, you're going to be watching a couple minute videos, and then your advanced lesson is give your friends the gift. Invite up to 4 friends. It's the same way. You're going to get paid $10 per eligible friend who completes this lesson. So like I said, get your friends and family involved. Do it back and forth with each other. Help each other make a little bit of money here on Coinbase. And it's as easy as that. It really is. All you're going to do is be watching these videos, take a quick quiz, inviting a few friends to come check these out and complete these lessons, and you're going to be able to make up to $130 just doing these quick little lessons online. And then the basic attention token. You want to just start the course and see what it is. These courses are going to be a way to browse on the web browser, how basic attention token works, and then you can earn $7 by with a Freebase. You just pretty much install it and you're going to get paid $7. So all of these, between these quick little videos, are going to equal another $10. Bam, you just made $130 in cryptocurrency. And you didn't have to do really any work. You just had to watch a couple of videos and take a couple of quizzes after. So it's really easy. I told you this is going to be one of my easiest models of making a little bit of money online. I know $130 does not go very far in this day and age. So this isn't going to be your way of being able to quit your job or, stick it to the man. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love seeing new subscribers. Make sure you write me and leave me comments if you have any questions about any of the methods that I've talked about. If there's something that you want to see and haven't been posted or uploaded yet, shoot me a comment, write me something, and I'll make sure I get back to you as quickly as possible. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every single time I upload a video. But if you are ready to stick it to the man and you know $130 does not go that far, you want to be able to quit your job and be an online entrepreneur, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in your description below. Thanks for watching, guys.